This is my review and unboxing for Out of the Box Camping. And I mentioned on my channel several times, but we love to camp. We have a camper. We're not tent campers. We're like almost RV campers, but we have a travel trailer. And so I decided to pick up this box. It's every 3 months and it is $49.95 a box. So I just got like the one box option. It does renew, but just to try it out. And your first box, you get to pick a theme. There's like kids adventure, for kids 3 to 10, a camping kitchen, or I think there was a third option when I signed up, like a general camping box, and I'm pretty sure that's what I signed up for. So let's check it out. So we have some just advertisements materials on top. The Happy Camper box includes 6 to 8 of your favorite camping items for you to enjoy on your next RV trip. All right. I'm grabbing this one first. RV There Yet. This is cute. I love this. I have another camping hat, probably by the same company. Yeah, Katie did. Yeah, they make really cute stuff. And actually, I have a shirt on right now that says RV Having Fun Yet. And I really, honestly didn't plan that at all. But yeah, so I'm actually wearing a shirt like this right now. So definitely will be using this. We have a set of 2 stainless steel wine tumblers with a removable stem. So you can take these off and just hold it by like the goblet. Is that the right word? There's a lid. Double wall vacuum insulated, superior temperature retention, flat bottom, ultra durable. That's nice. Well, you all know I don't drink wine, but I mean you can put whatever beverage in here you wish. So I like it. Oh my goodness, how cute! We have RV duct tape. Cute! Sticklets. What are these? Oh! Okay. They're little holders for sticks. So, like, you know, you can make little shelters or whatever out of here and use these for the type of, so this is for evergreens. I don't know what the green is. Black is black birch and this is terracotta, so I don't know, maybe this is a general one, but that's neat. Okay, I'm sure my kids will have fun with that. We have first aid kit. Okay, it's a first aid pouch, so you can put in your little supplies, keep it with you. I'm honestly probably going to use this one for my car. I just bought one of those like Amazon like 300-piece first aid kits for my actual camper, but I think this will be good for the car because we don't actually have anything in the car. We probably should. That way I can keep some band-aids in there. My kids have gotten some couple bumps and bruises already during summer, and so that could have been a handy. Then, Camping the Camper's Journal. This is nice and sturdy. Oh, neat. Oh, I love this. So this is a journal to document all your camping adventures. So there's a place to put location, date of trip, weather, campground name, phone number, site number, ideal site number. That's so important because I will write things down and then I'll lose them on my phone and not have a good place. So I love this. Comments, who you camp with. So it's sort of like a memory book and a reference guide. So I will definitely be using this for camping this weekend. And yeah, and a new spot, a new location. So be sure to document this down. I love this. Probably my favorite item right there. All right, so that's everything in the box. This was nice. These wine tumblers, probably relatively pricey, stainless steel. I just bought things on this website from Katie did. They're actually a wholesale, but you all know I have a clothing company, or you may not know that. I'll have a link down below to my Facebook group. We have some really cute fashions, but yeah, I think these retail for around 20 bucks. But yeah, lots of stuff in here. My kids will probably use these little rubber stick things. Stickets? Forgot what it's called. But that was everything in my box. I think it's cute. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna see what the next box is for the next quarter. But so far, I like it. I think it's really neat. And I like that there wasn't like random like snacks and weird stuff. I mean, I guess this is like the weirdest thing there is, but it's actually useful, and my kids are always grabbing sticks and wanting to play with them anyway, so they'll have a blast with those. So if you want to subscribe, all the details are going to be down below. I'm not sure if there's any coupon codes, but if there are, they'll be linked. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.